Hey there guys, it's Marlena Burton. I wanted to share something with you really quickly. The power of a committed decision is absolutely amazing. And so I'm grateful to share with you how you can get on track for full-time freedom for less than $1 a day. And so many years ago, I was in a marketing system that I absolutely loved. I want to say thank you to Lachey Fisher for sponsoring me into that business or into that system. And so loved it. It was simple. It was profitable. It could help people online, offline, build a business. But guess what, guys? It just didn't work. They tried it and the server was just like bogged down most of the time. And, it was two brothers that had a great idea. But you know what? They were persistent. And even though that business didn't work out, they actually took a little bit of time off, and then in time they started another system, and now they have a network marketing company. But this morning I got this email and it says, "Hey Marlena, can you help us out?" And so they were looking for a marketing system to promote their primary business, which is a network marketing company. And so guys, how does this happen? That you attract people that have a mind for helping people, which is what leverage is. A lot of people doing a little. It takes a committed decision. You do not have to know where the people are going to come from. Just give yourself permission. Say yes. Know that God has blessed you, and that if you will just get out of the way, you don't have to figure everything out, guys. Just know that it's going to happen at the right time, okay? Be persistent, be consistent, okay? And so that's how it works. All of life works that way, okay? People are looking to see if you're going to be here a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Guess what, guys? People come and go. Businesses come and go. Business systems come and go. We have McDonald's in our town that have closed down. So don't be attached to anything. If you can detach, that's when it can come. If you're fine with having it and fine with not having it, it works out so much better. And so I used to tell my husband, I said, I don't own anything. If I referred to my car, I referred to the Camry that I drove. I didn't never say it was my car. It's just the car that I was blessed to be able to drive. The place that I live in, it's not my house. It's just a place that I'm a steward of. The money that I have, it's not my money. I don't own anything and I don't know anything. And so that's the place that I love to be in life. And so, like I said, I just wanted to encourage you to be consistent, be persistent. And so when I shared the marketing systems with them, they didn't just log in, they did log in, and then they upgraded right away, because people understand the power of leverage. A lot of people doing a little. And so learn how to put money to work for you instead of you just working for money. Learn how to help a lot of people. And guys, if you will do this, if you will just make up in your mind to offer to help at least one person every single day, your whole team do that, it can be amazing. And so the power of one is amazing, and you are amazing as well. So I want to say thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of my team, a part of my systems. And God bless you, your family, and all of creation with abundance beyond belief. Bye for now.